Change your life. Watch this video regarding making money online tips and tricks. Millions of people have discovered the endless opportunities afforded by the internet. While there are many options for making money online, some ventures aren't as great as they appear to be. That is why it is important to understand what the options are and which ones are the most viable. Keep watching for a few pieces of good advice you can use. Think about what an hour of your time is actually worth to you before you get started. If you plan on working online, how much does your hourly need to be? If you accept a low sum, you will have a hard time earning more. People will think that you are not worth a lot of money and will pay you in a cheap way. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. If you want to get started making money online quickly and easily, clean out your closets, garage, attic and storage unit. Collect anything you do not want or need anymore and sell it through eBay or Amazon. Start with small, cheap items so that you can build up an online reputation through repeated positive customer feedback. As you now know, there are a lot of ways for you to make money on the internet. So long as you have a good idea what you are doing, you can find success in making money on the internet. You may even be able to swap out your job income for your online income. Learn everything possible about online income generation, and get on the road to wealth right now. Student loan.